He just burped. And
Yep.
I know what he had for dinner. Shrimp spaghetti?
Yep. Spot on. Wash it down with some green tea as well.
I don't like that. But you're not going to spoil my dinner tonight because I'm having pizza. Everybody knows that.
Anyways, I'm Jaco.
I'm Justice, and today our gold JavaScript badge has arrived.
It's gold.
And we are going to answer, I don't know, maybe 8 questions and see if we can't pass.
Yeah. You want me to start off with question 1?
I so badly do want you to do that.
How much do you want to pay me to go start the quiz?
I will not pay you a dime. Now, go ahead and start.
All right, question 1. Because jQuery is a library of JavaScript, what do we have to do in our HTML document to use jQuery?
That's a great question. Because JavaScript is built in to browsers, right?
Mm-hmm.
But jQuery is a library that somebody else wrote. So the only way that we can get the power of jQuery is if we link it in our website. We have to link it, right? Because unless we link it, we don't have the power of jQuery. But when we link it, oh yeah, now we got the power.
Question 2. Where can we link to jQuery?
In the head, right? In that head of our HTML document. That's above our body. That's at the top of the page, right in the head.
Awesome. Question 3. You can attach event listeners to HTML elements. What is the jQuery/JavaScript doing?
Yes, so let's show this right here because this right here is, if we kind of look at the syntax, it looks like we are targeting the element with the ID justice box. And it looks like it's listening for a click on justice box, right? Because it has the .click event listener. So we're listening for a click on justice box.
Makes sense. Question 4. I just whistled through my teeth. In order to make justice box do something once it's clicked, we have to add a
function.
Function.
Yeah, so the things that do the things in JavaScript are the functions, right? So in order to, make something happen when, that gets clicked, we have to write a function to say, hey, JavaScript, we want you to do something. So here's a function. Now do what we told you.
Question 5. What does a JavaScript function do?
Well, when you first write the function, it doesn't do anything, but it will do whatever you tell it to do, right? So if you wrote a function to change the color of a box, guess what? When you run that function, it's going to change the color of the box.
That's awesome.
Pretty cool.
It's like a really cool butler.
Yeah, it does whatever you tell it to do. Give me cereal in bed now.
JavaScript function? You got it. Question 6. You can name a function whatever you want. What is the function called?
This function right here is called, and I named it, right? Because you can name your functions whatever you want. This function is named do something to justice box. Yeah, I named it. You can name yours. He can name his. You can name it whatever you want. But yeah, that's the syntax for naming a function.
Awesome. Question 7. What is this function doing?
Right here. So this function, well, first of all, this function is called do something to justice box. And if we look at it a little closely, we're targeting the element with the ID of justice box. And it looks like we're putting text into the justice box. We're putting the text, JavaScript put this here. That's right. So yeah, this will put text into justice box. That's what that function is going to do.
Awesome. Question 8. What is this function doing? Function do something to JQuery.
Ooh.
My turn.
Yeah, this one looks a little bit more complicated, but don't be scared.
I'm not.
Are you scared?
Maybe a little.
Well, you shouldn't be because we can really break this down. So let's look at this. This function is called do something to JQuery, and it looks like we're targeting the element JQuery, right? With that ID or that pound, that hashtag JQuery. And it looks like we are going to change the CSS or the style of it. And it looks like we're going to change the background color to blue. So this will change the Jquery box to have a blue background. And that is pretty cool of JavaScript. You know, if JavaScript was a person, it would be nerdy, he would be cool, and he would be classy.
Be getting high fives left and right.
Yeah. Oh, what's up, JavaScript? Yeah. What's our secret handshake? This. JavaScript is cool. I'm Justice.
I'm Jacob.
And we'll hopefully, hopefully you join us after you go take your quiz, and we'll see you next time.